Nofap doesn't work. Meditation doesn't work. Mindfulness practices, therapy don't work. Prayer doesn't work. Cold showers, discipline, willpower don't work. So if none of these strategies work, if none of these tactics are effective, then how do we actually overcome our addiction to pornography? Gentlemen, I'm Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Reboot Recovery, and it is our mission here to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also turn those post notifications on. But over the last 18 months, we've worked day and night in the trenches with over 100 men in a one-on-one capacity. We've had over 1,800 men come through our courses and programs and books. So we understand what it takes to overcome this addiction. We understand what it takes to reboot, to rewire your brain. And at the end of the day, if you're looking to overcome your struggle with pornography, the only path to real freedom, the only path to truly breaking this addiction is to become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. The path to no longer needing porn is to become the man that doesn't need pornography anymore. But what does that mean? What's sitting at the root of that statement? Gentlemen, it's an identity change. You have to go from the person that is struggling with the behavior right now and massively change who you are. Change how you see yourself showing up in the world. Change how others see you showing up in different situations. Now, can you use prayer? Absolutely, 100%. I believe it's one of the most effective strategies. Can you use cold showers? 100%. Because it's going to force you to seek resistance. It's going to force you to seek pain. Can you use fasting? 100%. We talked a lot about it as a tool and strategy to build discipline, to build willpower. Should you seek out and use journaling to understand your thought process, to gain a higher sense of self-awareness? Absolutely, 100%. Do you need a physical training regimen? 100%. Do you need an education path so you can understand from a neuroscience level what the actual rebooting and rewiring process is undertaking you through? 100%. So individually, men, none of these tools or tactics are going to work in removing pornography out of your life. Because at the end of the day, pornography is not going anywhere. It's here today. It's going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here in 3 months. And chances are it's going to be here 3, 5, and 30 years into the future. So if we really want to break this addiction, if you really want to overcome these struggles, stop trying to eliminate pornography. Because that's a battle you're not going to win. Instead, build up, develop yourself, become a man of honor, become a man of integrity, become a man that is living with intention and purpose in this world. So that you no longer need the pornography. You no longer need the escape. Because every day when you wake up, you're excited to take on the day's challenges. You seek the difficulty things. You seek the discomfort. Because it's in the pursuit of those things. It's in the pursuit of creating meaning and creating lasting joy in your life that you'll begin to realize, A, for one, why you ran to pornography in the first place. What were you running from? What were you running to? But at the end of the day, man, like we've said here, thousands of times, which if you're new here, like I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're dropping new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. But men, if you've been struggling for a year, if you've been struggling for 5 years, if you've been struggling for 10 years, and when you hear some of these tactics, when you hear some of these strategies, your immediate response is, oh, that didn't work for me. Because you didn't understand what it was intended to do. None of this is going to eliminate the pain that you're running from. None of this is going to eliminate pornography. So you want real freedom? You really want to break the chains of this addiction? First thing is you got to get really, really clear. Do you really want this? I know there's a lot of you that look forward to these videos dropping every single day. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the emails. I appreciate you guys reaching out. But I see a lot of the same names. I see a lot of the same faces on a continual basis. So what is it that you're not getting? You don't understand it's your responsibility? You don't understand that you're going to have to be the one that is going to have to create the change? So gentlemen, if you really want to get this out of your life, there's a very special announcement to make for you today. Like we said, we've worked over the last about 18, 19 months here in perfecting a curriculum and perfecting a system that if you follow the steps, if you execute the plan, if you take action on it and you take responsibility for your actions and behaviors, not only will you eliminate porn out of your life, but you'll find a deeper sense of meaning, a deeper sense of purpose. You'll begin to get really, really clear on who you are and who you're supposed to be. And at the same time, because we integrate it from a holistic perspective, we look at nutrition, training, supplementation, fasting. Not only will you find freedom in your life, but you'll actually begin to build a body that you enjoy living in. So guys, I want to extend an offer to you out here today. Check out rebuiltrecovery.com/rebootyourlife or tap that first link down there in the first pinned comment. What we've done for the first time ever is we've taken the curriculum that we've worked with our one-on-one students and the curriculum that we've taken inside of our group coaching programs, and we release it in a done-for-you solution to where every week over the next 16 weeks, I want to guide you through a series of trainings, through a series of exercises, through a series of coaching videos, so that you can begin to understand how to remove pornography out of your life, how to become the man that is no longer addicted to porn. And I want to take you through that identity change so you can go from the man that is struggling with pornography right now and become the man that no longer needs pornography in his life. So we just finished this, we just finalized this, and I'm so excited to get it out to you guys because I know the impact that it's going to have on you and it's going to have on your life. So right down there in the first pinned comment below, hit that link or type in the URL, www.com rebuiltrecovery/rebootyourlife. It's a 16-week coaching curriculum to help you understand your triggers, to help you gain awareness, to help you build guardrails in your life, to help you build discipline, to help you develop willpower, create a plan for your life without pornography. But more importantly, how can you actually execute upon that plan every single day? So you don't just quit porn in the short term, but you remove pornography out of your life once and for all. Reboot and rewire your brain and become the man that you know you were created to be. So guys, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the love for these videos, the comments, the subscriptions, everything. You don't know how much that truly means to me. When we set off on this journey, initially at the beginning of 2020, and then when we really got clear on what we wanted to do here at YouTube back in July of last year, I didn't know what the response was going to be. I didn't know what the feedback was going to be on these videos. But it's been more than I could have ever asked for. So guys, this program is for you. I could have kept doing the one-on-one coaching. I could have kept doing the group coaching. Trust me, it's more than enough on my plate right now. And the impact that we're having, just not on these men's lives, but on the lives of others that they're going out in the world and impacting, made me realize that I needed to do something special for you. So tap that link down there in the pinned comment below or type in the URL rebuiltrecovery.com/rebootyourlife to find out how you, in the next 16 weeks, can eliminate porn out of your life, reboot and rewire your brain, become the man that you were created to be. But Frank Rich from Reboot Recovery, guys, if you found value in anything that we're doing here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Drop us a comment down there below. Are you ready to take this challenge on? Are you ready to quit porn for good and become the man that you know you were created to be? I want to hear from you guys down there below. So drop in a comment, guys. Let us know who you are. Let us know where you're coming in from. But Frank Rich from Reboot Recovery. I'll see you guys on the inside.